Welcome, I'm Amanda Brainerd with Brown Harris Stevens, and today we're going to see 66 Leonard, apartment 10A, which is the loft of the late and great Toni Morrison. This 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom loft is located in one of the best streets in all of Tribeca. Representing the sale of this loft has personal meaning for me because I'm also a novelist, and being here makes me feel like maybe some of Toni Morrison's brilliance will rub off on me. So you come into this great room and you have a big open kitchen, a gracious dining area, and a large living room. So the kitchen is beautifully designed for cooking. It's got a 6-burner Thermador range with a vented hood, a sub-zero refrigerator, a wine fridge, and granite countertops. One of the most remarkable features of this loft is that there are these beautiful custom bookshelves in all of the public spaces, even here in the dining room, which indicates how important books were in the life of Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison was meticulous about cataloging her library. This entire group of shelves is all novels and all in alphabetical order. The dining area in this loft is very generous, and here she had a formal dining table for dinner parties, but also you can imagine her having a cup of coffee with a friend at this more intimate table. Here's a fun little anecdote. According to Toni's son, Toni used to rub this Buddha for good luck. Another remarkable thing about this apartment is every part of it is designed to be cozy and comfortable, including this beautiful living room where I'm sitting in front of this cozy gas fireplace. The living room has a wall of north-facing windows which provides all-day consistent ambient light and beautiful open views over the New York City skyline. And also the apartment has artifacts that are from Toni's travels, and these drawings above the fireplace were done by Toni Morrison's son Slade. Sitting on this sofa, I imagine Toni Morrison in quiet conversation with friends. This library is one of my favorite rooms in the whole apartment. There's the computer desk where, of course, Toni had to answer emails, but she also maintained her writing desk where she wrote by hand. And this built-in bookshelf behind me contains history and biographies, all alphabetized, but also displays some of the more interesting artifacts of this apartment, such as the original artwork for Beloved, this key presented to Toni, and photographs of Toni and her family. Here she is with Quincy Jones. I think every dream library has a ladder. This one was custom built for Toni to make the top shelves of every bookcase accessible. This is the main bedroom of the apartment, a wonderful, spacious room with beautiful open exposures north and east over Tribeca. One of the other things I love about this bedroom is this glamorous custom built-in with these antique lanterns. The main bedroom is very gracious. There's a huge walk-in closet, a beautiful spot for a dressing table with a mirror, a massive main bathroom with a giant soaking tub and double sinks. And the bedroom itself is even large enough to have a sofa on which to read. Not only is this loft a fabulous apartment in and of itself, it's also a major piece of literary history. I'm so glad I could show it to you.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?